morning, everybody. So today I am headed to get my nails done. I haven't gotten my nails done, like going to someone else to get it done for a while because I've been doing it myself. But one of my coworkers does nails, so I was like, let me go check it out. You know, I enjoy supporting small businesses, and I figured I'll support her. And she looks like she does really good work, so we're gonna go do that. I'm running a little bit behind. I will never get used to walking and vlogging. I'll be tired. Like, I'll be not tired, but I'll be out of breath. I realized that when I am out vlogging, oh my gosh, y'all, it is so hot in this damn quad. When I am out vlogging, then I am so nervous to talk on, like, hold my camera and talk because of my own fears, like, oh, people are watching and judging me. Even though I know, like, some people are and some people aren't, and even though I know, I don't care, like, if they judge me, so the hell what, like, but instinctually I still care and I still don't talk up, or like people will be beside me and I'll just have the camera and I just won't say anything until they pass me by, and I need to get out of my own head and just walk and vlog and talk, because even if they do judge me, so what? Like, I know this, like, that's the kind, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm the type of person where I'm just like, so what if they judge me? Who gives a damn, you know? But I guess low-key, oh, I cannot see. I guess low-key, I kind of give a damn. And hopefully you guys are hearing me. Let me wind up this window now. Hopefully you guys are hearing me. I'm always saying hopefully you guys are hearing me because I'm always self-conscious that I am filming and talking and you guys are not hearing me. I need to work on that. I need to work on just doing my own thing, and just when I have my camera out, just vlog and talk. But guys, look at my nails. Horrible. But hopefully she's about to get them cute, get them right, and she don't live too far from me. So I just got done with my nails and they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. I am in love. Like, do you guys see that? It's so cute. Oh my gosh, she did such a good job. Such a good job. And they're the perfect length. Like, I hate when I get my nails done and I tell them to go shorter, and I feel like they give me shit because they're like too short, I can't do. But perfect length, I can still click-clack at my job, get my stuff done, and have cute nails. So now I'm about to tell everybody I know, like, hey, go to her, go to her, go to her. Her prices are reasonable and her work is so cute. Like, I love it. Okay guys, so I'm here for this boat party today, and I have no idea where to go. Hey, I'm trying. Oh, you're not here yet. Okay, because it's by Pier 31, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I have no idea.
When you're walking towards Pier 31 from 31st Street, the dock is to the right. You pull off to the right. The docks are to the right.
To the right. I think I might have gone to the left.
Turn around. Let me see. Let me see the camera. Yeah, you're where you need to be. Those are the docks.
Okay. So, and we're. Okay. I think I'm at D, so I'll walk down.
And keep on going. It's alphabetized, so A through Z.
Okay, cool. I'll see you soon, boo.
Okay,
All right, bye. 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 Okay, so I'm finally here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I'm supposed to find I kind of freaked out a bit because when I first turned the corner, there was a group of people there and they were wearing all white and a sailor's hat, but our instructions were for us to wear all black and a sailor's hat. So at first I thought that I got the instructions wrong. Oh, my heart literally skipped a beat, but I'm good. That wasn't our group. So I'm just walking down right now. I'm at G and I need to get to I, so thinking I should be the next one. It is so cute over here. I can't believe I've never came over here before, but it was, like I said, it was on my list of things to do this summer, was to be on a boat, and I made it happen. Now let's just pray nothing happens, everything, we're all safe, because the last like big boat party in Chicago was a mess. So hopefully this one is good. This is I, right? Okay, this is the one I want. Thank you.
It's 20% though.
20.
All right, ready? Do it. Like, drink it from the side.
That's pretty decent for it not to be cold.
Ooh.
The cream makes it palatable.
Yummy.
Good call. Thank you.
Morning light, as the world wakes up and shines, I'll find a cozy place where I can unwind. At the sunny cafe where the music softly plays, sip my coffee slow, let my worries drift away. With a gentle breeze through the open windows wide.
After 40 days and 40 nights, we are finally getting on this boat. Oh my gosh, everybody's so cute and pretty and drunk and friendly, just the way I like it. Now we have to listen to our captain.
They yell at me. I deserve to be yelled at. Okay, hi guys, I'm Kelly. For anybody who missed it, my name is Kelly, and I am the captain today. It is busy out there. I'm not. I guess there's black voters.
Yeah, Black Sea
party. Right. Anyway, they turned out, so there's a lot of boats out there. Perfect day. Swimming. Does anybody care? Okay, well, it can be a game day decision, whatever, but it's been...
so excited to come on this boat, and I'm still excited that I'm here, but my motion sickness is freaking crazy. Like, I am dying, guys. But it's so pretty out here though. But I'm dying. Like, I literally just had to TMI, but I literally just like everything inside my stomach just came up twice. But I will say I do feel better. I do feel a little bit better, but I still have like a headache. But I'm dying, guys. But it's so pretty. Let me show you. Like, I've been laying down for the past 2 hours, holding on for dear life. I'm dying! If I wasn't feeling so horrible, I would have had such a great time on this boat because everybody else was having a good time and I enjoyed watching them. But guys, I was so sick. And while I was trying to hold on for dear life, I was watching this boat getting pulled over. I didn't even know boats got pulled over like this on the water. Oh my god, guys. I think I just needed to throw up because I feel so much better. Like, so much better than what I was doing earlier. Guys, I am not a boat person. I've learned this lesson the hard way. I'm currently laying on the boat. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But I'm currently laying on the boat underneath my towel. I'm about to try to catch a nap. I don't feel as bad as how I was feeling earlier. But I feel like I should lay down because if not, I'm going to start back feeling bad. Well, I'm fine once the boat is moving. It's when it stops. Yeah, I'm fine now. Guys, so yeah. So guys, apparently a boat is sinking where we're going. So where we're going might be closed off and we might not be able to go in. I'm ready to be on land. Like, I'm ready to be on land. Shout out to the captain for getting us back safe.
Yes, I would go to war with her any day. Does not complain. Even when she's not feeling great. That is my kind of warrior.
Oh my god.
No complaining. I love it. You can be in my foxhole anytime.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, I have a headache. I'm so happy to be back on land. Girl, I was sick 90% of that boat ride.
Oh, that's why you can lay down.
Yes.
I figured something was wrong with you. That's what I figured. You need to get one of those bracelets.
I do have the bracelet. I took the drill from the drumming, whatever it's called, drumming. I took that.
I figured. I was like, she up there laying down.
I threw up twice on the boat. Yeah. It was still fun though.
Good. I hate. What is that thing again?
DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
What instrument you play? Okay. I love seeing all these tones of melanin out here. Y'all looking so lovely.
Thank you for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.